Guys, welcome to my channel Switchit. In today's video, I will be discussing about the preparation strategy to get selected in LTI Mindtree. I myself got selected in LTI Mindtree as a graduate engineer training, and I am a 24 batch fresh graduate. And talking about myself, I have also cleared all rounds of companies like Accenture, TCS and QT, and many more other startups. So yeah, you can rely on my content, keeping all these things in mind, and we'll be uploading more videos regarding these companies and their interview experiences too. So keep an eye on my channel by subscribing it. And mind that each round is an elimination round in LTI Mindtree, so we have to prepare accordingly. So let's get started. There are three rounds which are conducted online, and the first round is of online assessment, then is technical interview, and then is HR interview. If I talk about the difficulty level of online assessment, it is somewhere around easy to medium, and you can expect 75 questions for which you will be allotted 120 minutes. Keep in mind that most of the students get filtered out in this round only, so prepare accordingly. After a week, results will be announced, and then you have to appear for technical interview. For technical interview, the difficulty level is somewhere around easy to, I will say, low medium or less medium, and it goes up to 20 to 22 minutes maximum. This was the time. Then the HR, if you clear technical interview, you call for HR interview, and for HR interview the difficulty level is easy only, and it goes up to maximum 10 to 12 minutes, and basic questions are asked regarding your the projects you have done, or if done any internship, and some behavioral and leadership like questions. Moving further, so now if I talk about each section, the online assessment has these topics like English comprehension, logical ability, quants, computer programming, computer science, and spoken English. English is doable and it only requires your basic understanding. By that only you can easily attempt all the questions. If I talk about logic ability, do prepare some topics beforehand like missing numbers, alphabet series based questions, blood relation, and direction based, and also some questions from dice also. So do prepare these topics. And if I talk about quants, you can expect questions from average, profit and loss, ratio and proportion, percentage, and time and distance. These topics are asked in all of the companies, if I would say. So do prepare these topics also. If I talk about computer programming, it includes questions from uh, questions like pseudocodes, output based questions. So also do give some output based question a try before attempting this section. If I talk about computer science, it includes questions from subjects like computer networks, DBMS, OOPS, operating system. These are doable question and you can easily attempt these question if you have basic understanding of these subjects. If I talk about spoken English, I would say it is not difficult, but it requires your full concentration because you have to listen automated voice from the other end and then answer accordingly. So sometimes you won't be able to recognize what the voice speaking. So give this section with your full focus and concentration. And also one thing, at last they will ask you to speak about a topic. Don't take long pauses because it does not check your knowledge about that topic, but only your fluency and pronunciation. So do not take long pauses. So do keep these things in your mind while attempting the online assessment round. Now after the online assessment, the second round is of technical interview. As we all know that introduction is the backbone of any interview, and same goes here. So do prepare it wisely, and you can expect questions from your projects, the tech stack you have used in your projects, and also about the skills which you have mentioned in your introduction, and about certification or internship if done any. Then they will ask you about the oops. Oops are asked in 90% of the interviews, and not only they will ask concept, but they will ask also the real life examples. Like they will ask, tell us the real life example of encapsulation abstraction. So do prepare it. Now they will ask about the programming language you are familiar with, and they will ask questions from that language only. So also do prepare those questions. If you are having Java as your programming language, or C++ or Python, so go through the top, I would say 15 to 20 most asked interview questions before appearing for technical interview. And they also asked technical concepts of subjects like computer network, DBMS. In DBMS, they ask about what are joins, what is normalization, and also they can ask you to write some queries also. My friend was asked to write queries related to, I think, join. Yeah, so do prepare. mm, you can expect queries also. They can then after they can also ask you to write some code. You can expect code from topic like string and arrays. They will not ask you any difficult question. They will only check your basic logical ability. If I talk about myself, I was asked two questions. First was string reverse, like reverse the string, and second was Fibonacci series, but using recursion. I was asked to print the Fibonacci series, but using recursion. Yeah, you can prepare some topics from recursion like HCF, LCM, or binary sets. Only these kinds of easy topics are asked by recursion. And also keep in mind that some of my friends were also asked puzzles in technical interview. Puzzles like burning rope or bridge crossing. You can go through YouTube. There are n number of channel where you can find easily the puzzles which are asked in technical interview. So yes, that is for this round. So after the technical round, the final round is of HR interview. The HR will ask you to introduce yourself and can ask you questions about the certification which you have done and what you have learned through that certification course. HR can also ask you about the company, that what do you know about LTI Mindtree, and what are the products that LTI Mindtree is currently working on, or what they have developed. So also do go through the products which they have developed. And also you can expect some behavioral questions like where do you see yourself after 5 years, why should we hire you, or why LTI, and also leadership some leadership skills questions also, like if there is a conflict in your team, how you are going to resolve it. Only these types of questions you can expect from HR interview. And I was also asked about that why you want to join LTI. So to prepare these questions beforehand. And I would say that for both tech and HR, apart from your knowledge and understanding, confidence is the key. And the way you present yourself is, according to me, what matters the most. Look that 10 out of 9 will having knowledge of technical concepts and other thing, but what will stand apart is that how you convey those things. So yes, that's it for the HR interview. So yeah, that's all for this video. Do keep the things in mind which I have shared with you while appearing for the LTI Mindtree. And I will be sharing recent interview experiences about the companies which I have appeared and cleared. I will be sharing interview experiences of mine as well as of my friend. So do subscribe the channel and share with your friends. Lot more videos will be coming regarding specific technical questions which are mostly asked in each companies, and their coding questions also. So yeah, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for further new videos, and till then, happy learning.